Well, they said we were going to get snow today. They were right about that. It is snowing fast and furious up here on Tumbleweed Drive up in Brighton. This is one of my favorite parts that I like to detect in Brighton. And as you can see, it is snowing something furious out there. There's a nice tot lot out there. I don't think I'm going to be getting the coil on the soil today. For starters, you can't get to the soil. It is sure coming down hard out there. Those trees are only about 100 yards away. You can hardly see them, what with all the snow coming down.